Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you in this video how you install your cadence sensor, which is right here, the two of them, one here and one other. And if you look in your computer, here's your cadence right here. Okay, so stay tuned and let's get to it. Yes, so for this task, you're going to need the scissors. You're going to need the measuring tape to measure. Then you're going to also need these clips over here, which will secure the sensor right there. Okay, so this is what I do first. From the bottom bracket shell right here to this sensor, you do have approximately 3.5 inches. So from here to here, you have about 3.5 inches. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna come back here and place the sensor right there, and this is where you wanna keep this guy right here. And then what are you gonna do? You're gonna come back, and you're gonna see this guy, and this is your sensor right here at the back. There's a sensor making the contact with this sensor over here. But what you have to do, you want to have the 2 inches placement from the end here to here. Now keep in mind, this thing was already mounted on my bike, so I'm gonna try my best to show you how you get it done while it's on the bike, so you can do this in your house on your bike as well. Now what's gonna happen, you're gonna take this Velcro and you're gonna mount it right around over here, where you're gonna have the sensor right here. Now what's gonna happen, you have this thing right here. Okay, now you have your sensor, which is here, and you have your another sensor here. And in order to make the contact, the proper contact, you need the 4mm gap right here. So the 4mm gap right here, and that's how it looks like right there. Here's your sensor. Here is another sensor making the contact. And if you go over here, this is the gap. See what I'm saying? If you go here, that's your cadence right there. CAD, that's the cadence right there. And it's all connected and hooked up and ready to be used. I hope you find this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Now the sensor was already mounted on my bike earlier, so I apologize for that. And this is the best that I could describe how you mount it on. Hope you found it useful, and take care. Bye-bye.